Guess what? Google's stock price skyrocketed by a whopping $57 billion in just one day. Can you believe it? The buzz is that this might be all thanks to their AI magic. Yes, you heard it right. Google's artificial intelligence may have played a big role in this financial adventure. But hold on, there's more. Everyone's curious if Google will outshine chatgpt 4 and Microsoft in the AI game. It's like a hungry shark ready to gobble up the competition. So, get ready for the excitement because we're about to see what AI tools Google has up its sleeve. Are they going to unleash some incredible inventions? We'll find out soon. Stay tuned, friends, and let the AI showdown begin. Google's like a shark on the prowl, and we're in for a thrilling ride. What if you could see your entire trip in a cool box-like view called Immersive View for Routes? Well, now you can, no matter if you're walking, cycling, or driving. Let me give you an example to show you how amazing it is. Let's say you're in New York City and you feel like going on a bike ride. Google Maps suggests a couple of options nearby, and you decide to go with the one along the waterfront. Exciting, right? But before you start pedaling, you want to get a feel for the route. So, you click on Immersive View for Routes, and oh boy, it's like magic. Suddenly, you're up in the air, looking down on your whole journey. You can zoom in and see every little detail as if you were a bird flying above. It's incredible! Not only that, you can even check today's air quality. A healthy AQI of 43, not bad at all. And if you're curious about the traffic and weather changes during your ride, no worries. You can take a quick look and plan your trip accordingly. So, it's a beautiful day for a ride, but oh no, rain is in the forecast later. Maybe it's best to hit the road now. With Immersive View for Routes, you get to experience your journey like never before. It's a whole new way to explore and make the most of your adventures. So, go ahead and try it out with Google Maps. Happy exploring! Guess what? Google has done some magic. They changed Magic Eraser to something even cooler called Magic Editor. Let's see what this fantastic tool can do in your photos. Ever wish you could remove that bag strap that accidentally got in the picture? No problem. With Magic Editor, you can make it disappear. Want to pose like you're really catching water in your hand? No worries. You can adjust the pose to look just the way you want. But wait, there's more. Imagine you always want your kid at the center of the picture, and those balloons were cut off. Not an issue. Magic Editor to the rescue. You can fix that too and reposition the birthday boy. It's like magic. Magic Editor is so smart that it can even recreate parts of the bench and balloons that were not in the original shot. How amazing is that? Oh, and if the sky in the photo is a bit dark, no problem at all. You can make it brighter and it will adjust the lighting in the rest of the photo too, so everything looks just right. Now, you can take pictures without worrying about getting everything perfect from the start. Thanks to Google's Magic Editor, you can edit and fix your photos afterward. It's like having a magical photo assistant. Google is now rolling out this awesome feature in Google Photos. How cool is that? So go ahead, relax, and let the Magic Editor do its thing. Enjoy capturing your precious moments, knowing you can make them even more special with a little bit of magic. They've just announced their newest creation called Palm 2, and it's their answer to GPT-4. But wait, there's more! There are 4 different Palm 2 models: Gecko, Otter, Bison, and Unicorn. Cool names, right? Gecko is the smallest model, and it's super handy as it can work on mobile devices, and you can even use it offline. Imagine having this power in your pocket. Now, here's the magic part. Palm 2 can be fine-tuned for specific domains. For example, there's SEC Palm, which is designed for security experts. It's like having a super smart buddy to help them understand and tackle security threats. And that's not all. There's MedPalm 2, which is fine-tuned with medical knowledge. It's been improved a lot compared to the basic model, with a 9-fold reduction in inaccuracies. It's almost as good as real medical experts. Google is also working on MedPalm 2 to handle medical imaging, like plain films and mammograms. That's super impressive, right? The best part is, you can try out the Palm 2 model now in preview mode. So, get ready to experience this amazing new creation from Google. The future is looking bright. Google has something really awesome called Bard, and it's like having your very own personal assistant. And guess what? It's now even more powerful. Google says you can do and create anything you can imagine with Bard. It's like a superhero for developers, helping them with coding and debugging in over 20 programming languages like C++, Go, JavaScript, and Python. How cool is that? You can use Bard in Google Colab and export its responses straight to Gmail and Google Docs. It's super convenient. But wait, there's more magic. Bard is getting more visual too. It'll use Google Search Bot to find you better images, and Google Lens will be part of Bard too. That means you can ask Bard to write a funny caption for your dog's photo, and it'll do it for you. And it's not just limited to that. Bard can create tables that can be exported to Google Sheets. But hold on, that's just the beginning. Bard will be able to connect to lots of other cool services from the web with the help of partners like Instacart, Indeed, Khan Academy, and many more. You can even use natural language to ask Bard to create images for you. It's like magic happening right before your eyes. Google is rolling out Bard to 180 countries, including the US, UK, Singapore, Malaysia, and India, and it's going to support 40 languages soon. So, get ready to experience the amazing powers of Bard. It's Google's way of taking on the competition and giving you the best tools ever. Have fun exploring all that Bard has to offer. Google Workspace. They've got this fantastic tool called Sidekick, and it's here to make your work life a breeze. Imagine having a personal assistant right at your fingertips. Well, that's exactly what Sidekick is like. It's always ready with clever ideas and suggestions that perfectly match what you're working on. Let's say you're writing a story and you're stuck at a certain point. No worries! Sidekick will come to the rescue with prompts to help you move the plot forward. It's like having a creative buddy right there with you. But wait, there's more! Sidekick isn't just about words, it can also create cool images based on the details in your document. How awesome is that? It adds eye-catching visuals to your work, making it even more impressive. Whether you're working on a document or brainstorming new ideas, Sidekick is there to give you a helpful boost of creativity and productivity. It's like having a super helper for all your Google Workspace apps like Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Gmail. So, get ready to meet your new best friend, Sidekick. Starting next month, it'll be right there with you, making your work life easier and more fun. Google is always coming up with amazing tools to help you, and Sidekick is the latest one to join the party. Enjoy working with this super cool tool. You might have heard about ChatGPT, and some people are wondering if it will replace our good old Google search. But guess what? Google believes that AI won't replace search, but make it even smarter. Sounds interesting, right? Let's see how it works with the latest update. Now, when you search for something on Google, you'll first see a snapshot from generative AI. It's like a quick summary of your search topic. Right below that, you'll find relevant information or products related to your search. But wait, there's more! You can ask follow-up questions too, and that will take you to a brand new conversation mode. It's like having a chat with Google. I wonder how many people will still scroll down to see more information with these cool generative results. It's like having the answers right at your fingertips. Project Tailwind. It's like a super smart notebook powered by AI, and it helps you learn faster. All you need to do is pick some files from Google Drive, and it creates a personalized AI model just for you. This model knows all about the stuff you give it, and it picks out the important concepts and questions from the materials you provide. It's going to be a game changer for students, making it easier to understand and remember what you learn in class. How cool is that? Now, you might have heard that AI is becoming more and more powerful, but we also need to make sure it's used safely. We don't want misinformation spreading around, right? That's where the idea of responsible AI comes in. Google is working hard to provide tools to help you evaluate online information. For example, there's this awesome tool in Google Search called About This Image. It tells you important stuff about an image, like when and where it first appeared online and if it's been seen on other sites too. That way, you can figure out if it's reliable or not. It's great to see that Google takes this seriously and is working to keep us safe and informed. This is just the beginning, and it sets the stage for even more improvements and better standards for AI. Are you still here, my fellow techies? Did you catch that Google AI shark in action? That thing is scarier than Jaws. And if you don't keep your distance, it'll gobble up all those little AI fishies faster than you can say algorithm. But don't worry, friends! You don't have to sacrifice your limbs to stay up to date on the latest AI tools and tricks. Just hit that subscribe button and join us on our journey through the choppy waters of technology. No shark jokes, we promise, just pure, unadulterated fun with all things AI. So hold onto your virtual hats and get ready to explore the deep, dark, and definitely not dangerous world of artificial intelligence. See you in the next video, my fellow tech adventurers.